In this month's Stay Crafty kit, you'll receive a 6-inch square canvas, a self-adhesive easel back, 24 inches of burlap ribbon, 24 inches of green cord, 12 inches of twine, a bottle of tacky glue, a small paintbrush, 12 buttons, and 2 wood bees. You will need a pair of scissors and optionally a Sharpie. Before you begin, turn the canvas over. Using the score marks on the easel, go ahead and open the easel. Peel off the backing to reveal the self-adhesive. Find the center of the canvas and stick the easel onto the back of your canvas. When you're all done, go ahead and flatten the easel and turn your canvas back over to begin. You're going to begin by cutting your burlap ribbon into 4 6-inch pieces. Take your glue bottle, remove the lid, and you'll need to cut a tiny piece of the tip of the glue bottle off in order to get started. Put some glue along one edge of your canvas, then take your paintbrush and spread that glue into a line across that edge. Take a piece of your burlap ribbon and set it in the glue, tapping and holding it until it adheres. You're going to do this for all 4 sides of your canvas, making a sort of frame. Now you're going to take your green cord and cut it into 12 2-inch pieces. Gather those pieces up and take your twine and wrap it around the cord pieces, tying it into a double knot. Here you'll begin to adjust the pieces of cord so that they eventually look like a tied bunch of flower stems. When you're done, you can go ahead and trim the twine. Now this is really important. Before continuing, make sure that your canvas is oriented so that your easel is on properly. Don't start this project with your canvas upside down. Take the stem bunch that you just created, put some glue on the back, and use the paintbrush to spread it around so you get really good coverage. Find the lower center of your canvas and press the bunch down, holding until it adheres well. Lay out your buttons, setting aside the 2 wood bees, and begin randomly placing the buttons on your canvas above the little bunch of flower stems. Don't worry too much about where the colors and sizes of the buttons go. This can be a really random pattern, and no matter how you do it, it tends to turn out pretty cute. Dab or brush glue onto each of the buttons and press down long enough to make sure that each adheres really well. Take the 2 wood bees, peel off the backing to reveal the self-adhesive, and decide where you'd like to place them on the flowers and/or canvas. Optionally, you can also choose to use a Sharpie to draw a little buzz line from the flowers to the bee. And there you have it. Thanks so much for completing this month's Stay Crafty May Flowers kit with us at Fremont Public Library.